We are pleased to show you the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security alarm, compass. Come see the car for yourself.